Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Cat Kid from Dogman. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Cat Kid, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here with an oval shape. So I'm going to make a nice oval shape that just goes down and then comes back up like this. Next, right here, I'm going to make another oval shape, and this one's going to be kind of angled a different way. Now for the pupil, I'm just going to draw a nice long line down like this, and then another line that comes down. Now starting here, let's make the head. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, and then I'm just going to curve it down here. Then I'm going to bring this up and then back in towards the eye. Right here, let's go ahead and make a small little oval shape for the nose. And I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Underneath that nose, I'm going to draw a small line down. Then let's give him a little smile like this. And we'll draw a little line right here at the end of the mouth. Now let's make the mask. So starting here at the top of the eye, let's draw a diagonal line that's going to come towards the back of the head. And then we'll draw one right over here that does the same thing. Up here towards the top, I'm going to make two little lines for some eyebrows. And then I'm going to make three little lines right here for some whiskers. And also I'm going to put three little dots right here. Up here at the top, let's make a little triangle shape for an ear. And then over here, let's make another little triangle shape. Now let's make the hand, or I should say let's start the arm. Let's draw a nice little diagonal line out, and then we'll make another one. We're going to make it get a little bit wider as it comes out here. We'll draw a little curved shape like this, and then we'll stop there and we'll come back to do more. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then curve in. And then for this side of the body, I'm going to go down and then curve in like that. I'll draw two small lines down for the leg. And for the foot, let's just make a nice little oval shape like this. Now for this leg, we're going to come out and then down. And we'll do that same thing here. Just go out a little bit and then down. Next, for the foot, we'll do that same thing. Just give it a nice little oval shape. Now, I'm going to make the other hand up here, the other arm, I should say. So let's make a nice little diagonal line up, a little curved line down, and then another little line that comes down here. Now, let's go ahead and add the details on here. So I'm going to begin by making a little line that's going to go up. It's going to kind of follow that shape and come back here. And then I'm going to color these little parts in. Kind of looks like there's an oval or his hand's disappearing. We'll make a half circle shape like this. And then over here, let's come down here and make a half circle shape right here. Now, I really like the way this cat kid has some art supplies on his hand, so we're going to draw that. So I'm going to start here, and we're going to make a paintbrush. So we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to curve down. And then I'll draw a little line across here. At the top, we'll make some little pointed lines for the end of our paintbrush. Next, we'll do a pencil. So let's come up. And then we'll draw another line that comes up. And then we'll make a little point up here. I'll color in the top and make a little curved line here. And then I'll make 2 more little lines right here. Now let's do a little Sharpie at the end. Let's draw a line that comes up, and then it's going to curve back. We'll draw a small line here, and then a little line that comes out and then down. Now over here, let's make some colored pencils on this hand. So right here, let's make 2 lines that come out, and then we'll draw a little point here. Let's do that same thing here. 2 lines that come out and make a little point or a little V shape. Same thing here. 2 lines and then a V shape. Let's connect each one with a zigzag. And then we'll draw a little line across the top here. Next, let's make the tail back here. Let's draw 2 lines that come right up here towards the arm. Then we're going to jump over. We're going to curve this around and bring it down to here. Next, let's make the cape. Let's start here and let's draw a line that's going to curve up and then down to here. We'll make a couple little points and then bring it back up. Now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add the stripes. So I'm going to put 1, 2, and 3 stripes here. And then I'll put 2 little stripes here. I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 stripes on the arm here. And we'll do the same thing here. 1, 2, and 3. I'll make 2 little stripes here and 2 stripes here on the legs. And then I'm going to make some stripes on here. I'm going to make these a little bit fatter, so we'll put 3 stripes right here on the body. And there you go. There is your drawing of Cat Kid from Dogman. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.